Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to test a UV map for the model that you create. So you just go from the basic. Let's open a new mesh for coupe. This is a coupe. So for anything any mesh that Blender create, it has the UV. Let's open the shader. So I'm gonna open a shader editor here and open UV editor here for checking the material and UV. For the shader, I create a new material and name it test UV. Connect the base color for image and create a new image with UV grid. Okay, you open the material viewport so you can see the material on the coupe. To see the UV of the coupe, so let's change to edit mode. Here you can see the UV. Turn on the scene selection, and now you can see all the UV of the coupe that Blender created for you. Choose the face mode. Now you can check any face and it's appear on the viewport also. Now this is the UV that Blender created for you. In case that you create a new model that doesn't have UV. So for example, this one doesn't have UV. Now you want to create a new one. So first you have to mark seam and then unwrap. Mark seam for the coupe. Let's change to select edge mode and select the edge that you want to mark a seam. For example, for the coupe, here I will select this edge, right click, mark seam, and now you see it is marked as red. Now select A and you unwrap. Now we have a new UV. This is correct way to create a new UV. But in case that you create a wrong seam, for example, I will clear the seam and unwrap. This is the wrong UV that you see. The UV of the picture, the image is wrong. So the axis is wrong. So for example, I mark these two edges or seams. Select A and unwrap. It also not correct. So to make a new and correct UV, you have to choose the correct seam. This one, mark seam and select A, unwrap. Now it's correct, and you have the very good picture. Now you can export the material to make the texture on other software like Substance Painter, or you make a material directly on Blend. So that's it. Thank you.